People don't know that. But here's the reason that it happens. We got no fault divorce, under Ronald Reagan in California. In the early 1980s, a new program called Title IV-D was fully enacted by the federal bureaucracy. Title IV-D provides for matching funds for the collection of child support in the states. Texas gets about $500 million in money from the federal government for the collection of child support. And that amount of money is based on two factors: how much child support you issue and how much you collect. The more child support you issue, the more money you get. So the states realized there were these massive financial incentives available from the federal government. And so all the states created family courts. Family courts didn't actually exist before the early 80s. People don't know that. These family courts were created by the states specifically to maximize Title IV-D reimbursements to the states. Courts are required to rule in such a way as to maximize Title IV-D reimbursements, not in the best interest of the child. So if you have two parents who are divorced, who are equally raising children, you don't have any child support, and the state loses money. So the state has a massive financial incentive to ensure that only one parent has the child. And in fact, in almost all the states, you'll find that the standard possession schedule specified by statute is the one that creates the maximum amount of child support paid, which creates the maximum amount of reimbursements to the states. And that's the financial incentive behind it. So the reason that no judge is ever going to give 50-50 custody, or in very rare cases, is because it literally cuts money out of the state's budget. So there's actually incentives for the state to take children from poor parents. So there are just these massive financial incentives for courts to do the wrong things and to rip fathers out of their children's lives. And the statistics in both the UK, Australia, and the United States are roughly similar. And that's a direct result of judges following the money instead of following what's good for children.